Yo, man, y'all know who it is. It's your boy 84 Cuddy, man, aka Built on a Budget Junior. That's right, man. Hey, if you're here for the first time, man, welcome, man. Hey, if you already been here, man, you know what it is, man. Hey, make sure everybody hit that like button for me, man. Subscribe to the channel, man, and turn on all post notification bells, man. Hey, we working over here, man. Y'all know what we doing. We gotta get Sparrow right. Hey, so y'all got doggone, make sure y'all hit that like button for me, man. It hot out here too. Y'all see me out here sweating. So hit that like button for me, man. Might catch a heat stroke out you. You gotta ask for y'all to hit the like button. Hey, when y'all do that for me, then y'all stay locked. We about to get into the video. Let's get it.
Your pep up on your screen say yo, yeah.
It's 84, Cuddy in the photo. Miss my father-in-law so much. I had to name my car Sparrow, cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we ride to the beats, and it's so dark you can't see the seats till let's swap. Cutlass, I call him Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car Sparrow on the damn move again.
Alright, y'all see we got our Vortex sign with our Vortex letters painted black. We got the Vortex cover painted burgundy. I still got this taped up because, but I'm really about to untape it. I'm about to paint that gold. What y'all think? I hope y'all can hear me, man. I still got this fan blowing. Y'all know it's hot outside. But yeah, we out here working though. Let's get back to it. Yes, sir, and there we have it. Y'all see it. Nah, it's by far not perfect at all. Yeah, you see my little imperfections. Hey, it look better than it did. Y'all see the little imperfection. That come from the tape though. Yeah, but I got them though. What y'all think? I done spread the Vortex black. Man, I mean I had to tape off everything, all these little indentions. Had to tape off. Yeah, man. See, I still got a little black right there. Yeah, it ain't perfect now. It ain't perfect. Hey, but for a DIY guy and some spray paint, a rattle can. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all see the magic. But let me show y'all, man. Cause man, it's hot out here, dog. Hey, as y'all can see, man, ain't much been done. I've been working on that top, you know, on my hat, on my cover. But yeah, man, shoot. After that, all I gotta do is do the inner fender wells. Probably hit that the firewall. I gotta paint that right there. Then and the brake cover, the brake fluid cover. And as far as this, I need y'all help again now. So y'all already see the lid burgundy, where the cover burgundy. That's burgundy hit with the gold. Alright, so this right here, burgundy or black? Burgundy or black? I'm thinking burgundy again, because of course, you know, you still got the black right here. So I'm gonna paint this black, and either that, well, the radiator and the support, either black or the burgundy. I'm thinking burgundy though. To hit off with the cover. But yeah, man, that's it, man. Working slow, man. It's hot, bro. Shoot, man, you gotta do a little bit, go take a break, come back, do it again, man. Yeah, man, it's hot out here though. You know what I mean? Bro, it's hot out here, bro. Make sure y'all hydrating, especially if you're working outside. Even if you ain't working outside, make sure you hydrating. You know what I mean? That heat ain't playing. You know what I mean? Make sure you staying hydrated out here. That Gatorade, sponsor me. You see it came up to you, sponsor me. Yeah, man. But man, I hope everybody had a happy Father's Day, man. Like I said, man, I was paying yesterday too, man. Hey, this one right here, I'm kind of trying to take my time and at least make it look good. I wouldn't say like on a professional level, cause I ain't a professional. You know what I mean? Everything I'm doing that you see and that I record and show you, man, like most of this is stuff that I ain't never did it before, especially like pulling on motor and stuff. I ain't never did that. But like saying like playing with wires and stuff like that, of course we did that because it's almost like hooking up speakers and radios and stuff like that. You know what I mean? But yeah, so I'm not a professional at all. I just be trying stuff. You know what I mean? But like I said, man, I hope everybody had a happy Father's Day though, man. But listen, in honor of Father's Day, shout out to my father because he's still alive. But my father-in-law, man, y'all know that's what I named my car after. Man, yes sir, Big Sparrow. Yes sir, Fly High Sparrow. Hey, so in honor of him, let me show y'all what I got. Yes sir, let me show y'all what I got. So y'all remember I did the stencil. The stencil says Sparrow. I did it on the cardboard. So I tried to do it on the cardboard and then I started cutting the cardboard out. Of course it wasn't cutting out right. It started ripping on me. So I had to redraw it on a sheet of paper. Cut it out. Man, I actually had to cut up all this stuff right here. I'm gonna show y'all. Hey, Pop. That's what I call my father-in-law too. Yes sir. Hey man, SS. Hey man, you and your father-in-law, man, y'all relationship remind me of mine and my father-in-law, bro. For real. Straight up, shooting pool, dancing around, talking trash. Yes sir. Man, that was us. Yes sir, man. Shout out Sparrow, man. Yes sir, man. But let me show y'all this right here, man. Y'all ready? Hey, what JG say? Drum roll, please. Hey, and I did all this by hand now. Like I said, I ain't no professional. But watch this right here though. Man, tell me what y'all think. Big Sparrow out here. Yeah, my bad y'all, man. The video stopped, man. I ran out of storage, man. I had to erase it. Hey, but what y'all think, man? Y'all see it? Boy, I look like I airbrush in it. They might have hired me at the flea market, bro. Y'all go ahead and sit in them shirts and man, I airbrush y'all a shirt. Talk to me. Now I'm playing now. I ain't airbrushing nobody no shirt. I ain't even make me a shirt. This is the first time I ever did this right here though. Yeah, man. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think. What y'all think about the color? What y'all think about it? Yes, sir. I gotta spray some clear on it though, but yeah, man. But that's him. What y'all think? Boy, that joker, they clean, correct. Yes, sir. That joker, they hard, boy. Yeah, man. Hey, but I think I did a good job. Yes, sir, boy. I did all this by hand. Well, I didn't, of course, but I had to draw the stencil out, cut the stencil out, and then you gotta cut all this right here out. You gotta cut all the holes out. Man, I'm telling y'all, boy, you gotta cut all that right there out. And then with the scissors, I had to come all in here and cut that all already. Boys, hey, y'all see it though. Hey, if you put your mind to something, look what happened. Look what happened when you put your mind to something. And y'all think y'all can do something, Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I ain't no professional. But like I say, I ain't scared to try it. Hey, man. Let's spray some clear on this right here, man. Let's wet them up some more. What y'all think? Let's spray some oil sheen on him. Let's get it. Let's get it.
See your pep up on your screen, say yo, yo, yeah, yeah.
It's 84, Cuddy in the photo. Miss my father-in-law so much. I had to name my car Sparrow, 'cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we ride to the beats, and it's so dark you can't see the seats till let's swap colors. Call them Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car Sparrow on the damn move again. Head down south, yeah, we flying to the low country. That 843, yeah, that's me 84 photo. Colors flying high, Sparrow, name we trust. Name we trust.
See your pep up on your screen, say yo, yo, yeah, yeah.
It's 84, Cuddy in the photo. Miss my father-in-law so much. I had to name my car Sparrow, 'cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we ride to the beats, and it's so dark you can't see the seats till let's swap colors. Call them Sparrow, that's for sure. I did.
Yes, sir. Oh, I hit the light, y'all. My bad. Man, y'all see it, boy. Hey, boy, and I can't draw. Who? Boy, y'all see it, boy. God damn. Yes, sir, boy. Like I said, man. Hey, y'all already know, in memory of my father-in-law, Big Sparrow out here. That was actually his call sign, man. He was a truck driver out here. Yes, sir. Transportation Corps out here. Yes, sir, man. Hey, man, y'all drop down in the comments, man. Hey, dang, I keep hitting the light. My bad, y'all. Hold up. I hit the light again. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. There we go. Man, drop down in the comments, man. What y'all think, man? That joker wet, too. Hey, just know, man, we coming. Hey, if you haven't already, man, please make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man, and turn on all post notification bells. Hey, stay locked, man. Hey, we ain't done yet. We just getting started. Hey, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Like I said, man, happy Father's Day, man. We out.
84, Cuddy in the photo. Miss my father-in-law so much. I had to name my car Sparrow, 'cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we ride to the beats, and it's so dark you can't see the seats till let's swap colors. Call them Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car Sparrow